TPMS, Tire Pressure Monitoring System. My Navara does not have this because it's a SL base model. So I went up and picked this Amazon. This is off 30 bucks. The link will be in the description if you want to buy this one. I've actually previously used this one on my old D22 orange Navara. It pretty much just tells you, like, TPMS is a tire pressure monitoring system. It tells you how much air in your tires. It's good if you do lots of off-roading, go on the corrugated roads, because you can actually see what level you set your tires at. So if you're going on like these back roads, I don't even know where we are, but we're out on these tracks here. You'd be going on like 20 PSI and stuff, and this is going to tell you exactly what tire pressures you're at. And then when you go back onto the highways, you can pump your tires up to 41, and you know they're at 41. So let's unbox this real quick. All right, so comes in this package, very simple, pretty much exactly. And this is solar powered as well, which is really nice. Now, for the first time that you do set this up, you probably have to plug it in just to awaken it. And that's done by USB cable, which is included as well. We have some tools as well. And with this particular one, it comes with these, sensors. So we'll go ahead and put these sensors on. I'll show you how to do that. You've got the rear ride here. Let's chuck this on. So pretty much you want to chuck that little thing on, chuck that lock on all the way, and then chuck this on. You hear a little the air go, and then you want to lock this back, and this locks it in a bit pretty much. Grab your tool. All right, so I put all the sensors on. Now I'm going to go ahead and start this up for the first time, and we're going to use this cable to do that. So let's jump in. What is also good with this is the last one that I had was motion detected. Now, it wasn't the best motion detection, but when you got in the car, it would power up as long as it had charge, which solar panel on the top of your dash should have enough charge. Turn my ignition on. This should boot up, but this is currently set in bar. So I'm going to go through and change some of the settings on this. So what I found was, in order to set this one up in particular, you have to power this up first, and then you've got to put the sensors on one by one and make sure it registers, and then it'll register fine. So you can see, I don't know if you can see right now, but it's showing all of the tire pressures, and that's about right, 38 PSI. So I'm going to put this sticky tape, and I'm going to place this around here like that. So it is hard to see on the camera, but to me, this is quite clear. You've got 37, 36, 38, 36. So each time that I take off the sensor, it goes to 0, which shows that it's working. It also tells you the temperature of the tire. I'm not entirely sure how accurate they are. Obviously, this is solar powered, so you want the sun to be right there. But yeah, what I'll do is I'll go for a drive, and I'll come back and see how everything is. All right, so that's going to be the TPMS video for the MP300. You can set temperature high and lows. You can set tire pressure low and high. I think the lowest was 16. So if you are going to go off-road and go lower than 16 PSI, it is going to chuck a warning. But it's really good. It's solar powered. You just have to follow the instructions correctly, like power up the unit, and then put all the sensors on the right place, and you should be fine. Good to go. Don't have to plug it in ever again. Solar powered, so very good. I got it for 30 bucks off Amazon, so the link will be in the description. If you want to check out any more of my reviews, it'll be on screen now. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Peace.